This cocktail is called already I can't pronounce it, Floridita. Floridita? Floridita. Whatever that says to you. Now we're going to start off by putting our ice in our glass. 1.5 ounces of light rum. There we go. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 1/2 ounce of sweet vermouth. In like so. We're going to do a dash of white creme de coco. And a dash of grenadine. There we go. Mix it all together. Get your martini glass out. You should have had it chilling. So it's nice and cold. This is what your Floridita, I can't say it, Floridita looks like. And you are good to go. Cheers.